ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಇವ್ರು ನಿಜವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅನಿಸ್ತು. ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 3 to 4 hours every time. When we gave them a concept, they prepared design for us. And we were quite happy with the design, but highly disappointed when the materials came to our house, especially for the living room, because our living room theme was all Venge finish. They had got a stick finish. So that clash happened. We thought that they didn't get our point, but then they rectified it in such a beautiful way that all the disappointment was washed away. He didn't lose his cool. Nor we lost our cool. They got us exactly what we wanted. Very particular about our living room because that is the main heart of the house. So we wanted it to be flawless, and they made sure that it was exactly the way I wanted. So design ಮಾಡೋ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಇತ್ತು. 70% ಪ್ಲೇಸಸಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. 30% ಪ್ಲೇಸಸಲ್ಲಿ ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ ನಾವು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ದೇ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ದಿಸ್ design works out better, and latest concepts and latest designs, especially for the wardrobe doors and all. So they made us aware that this is what is happening nowadays, and we were quite okay about it. And I think the final product is for all there to see. So especially highlight ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ highlight ಇದು cane falls ceiling ಆಗಿದೆ. When they pitched us the idea about cane falls ceiling, we were not very ready to go about it. Now it has become the main focus of the living room, and that was one of the unique and rare idea I felt. That is giving the whole vibe of the room is, I think, because of that one small ceiling. We didn't want the ultra modern concept. We wanted to play around traditional side. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನಲ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಮನೆಗೆ. They convinced us to go for the cane. Final product doesn't look very modern, nor it looks very traditional. It looks very, very chic. That's what he executed. Perfect design for us, which really blend very well with our living room. And also it gives a traditional look. At the same time, it also revert the modern feel to the house.
The living room, the main focus was it should be more maintainable. Munche nam living room, it was hard to clean and hard to maintain. It was not very structured. So this was mostly for my mom, who could manage it better, and it was for her comfort that we wanted to change up the living room. The organization and structure was more towards her comfort. For the aesthetic itself, yeah, as my mom said, it's supposed to be traditional yet modern. We were leaning more towards tradition, and the modernity was, I think, introduced by you guys to us. That kind of sets the room. You can see now that there are traditional elements and modern elements that binds with everything that's happening in the rest of the house. Nun room, I feel like it's a bit modern. My brother's room also is modern. The tradition is brought in this living room itself. It suits our house the most, neither too modern or too traditional. So that's the kind of aesthetic that we were going for. We wanted to keep the kind of structure that was there previously. Ceiling. We wanted to retain that because I really liked it. My parents wanted to change it, but I really liked it, and they tried to incorporate that also and try to make it seamless by adding cane finish there. I think that really brings in, and elevates the whole living room. A living room is the highlight of any house, and it's become more of a highlight for us now.